Bago kayo magtayo ng catering business or restaurant, panoorin nyo muna to. Kasi sigurado, isa to sa bestseller. Dito nyo malalaman yung sikreto ng mga restaurant sa fish fillet. Let's begin. Bumili lang ako sa grocery ng fish fillet. Wash nyo, tapos i-drain. Tapos ipapat dry nyo yan. Dapat room temp yan ha. Season nyo muna with salt and pepper, baliktaran yan. Pinch lang, tansyahin nyo na lang, wag masyado maalat. Tapos slice nyo na, wag masyadong malaki, yung sakto lang. Ang gamit ko nga pala dito, cream dory. Tapos prepare natin yung batter. Wet batter, 2 eggs na tinimplahan ng salt and pepper. On another plate, breadcrumbs. On another plate, flour. Season with salt and pepper, pampa-crispy, baking soda. Konti lang. You may also add other seasonings like paprika. Then cover your fish with flour. After that, dip into the eggs. Then, onto the breadcrumbs. Ito na yung sikreto. Pa-flatten nyo yan using your hands. Gently but firmly. Pipisakin nyo yung fish using your hands. Madiin na, pero not too much na madudurog na yung fish. Makikita nyo, nag-double na yung size nyan. And that's it. Perito na natin. On a low to medium heat, using coconut oil, deep fry nyo na. Pag nagtitipid sa mantika, ganito, balibaligtarin nyo na lang. And fry until golden brown. Oh my gosh, napakasarap. Sobrang crispy. Ang ginamit kong side nito is tartar sauce. Na-post ko na yung recipe niya na pwede ring sweet chili sauce. Bagay din yun dyan. Or hanapin nyo na lang yung recipe ng white sauce. And that's it. Nakagawa ka na ng fish dish na magiging bestseller mo sa future restaurant. Share mo to.